Supper time in my traveling abode, and I wasn't gonna get anything to eat after my road snack there, but figure what the heck, I might just taste it, and if I like it, I'll eat some more later, but just for taste sakes, because a couple of stores down the way here, they have the old Colonel, and they have a new offering called Chizza. So I figured, give it a shot. And this is just a half Chizza. And that's what the half Chizza looks like. It's basically chicken tender pizza. And the presentation is not their fault. I accidentally dropped my luggage on top. We'll try that, give that a try. And then I also got a 4-piece wing. Oh, well, I thought they were gonna be like buffalo wings, but they're just wings. Okay, well, I might save these for later and get some buffalo sauce or something to go with it. But let's get our refreshment to wash it down with. Don't float the mainstream. That's what it says. Sweetwater Brewing Company Extra Pale Ale, established 420. 1 pint pouring apparatus. Yeah, it's got about 4 chucks. So let's just taste it out of here. I've actually had this already. Where I live, they had like a community oyster roast, and you paid for the oyster roast and two drinks, and so this was one of the drinks I had. That was pretty decent. And again, I've mentioned it before, I'm not a big IPA fan, but this one is not bad. It's not very bitter, unless either that or my bitter taste buds are dead already. But anyway, cheers. It's got a hint of sweet when you first taste it, and then it's got a very light finish, like grapefruit finish. So it's good. Drink them if you got them. You can count on this go-to OG Pale Ale being fresh, flavorful, and well-balanced every time. If you know, you know. Independently brewed since '97. Can condition for fresh taste. Check the bottom for whatever. 5.7% alcohol by volume. Less jaw jacking, more tasting. My suspicion is that this is the result of some alcohol. But it's got tomato sauce, I'm guessing mozzarella cheese and pepperoni. Tastes like pizza, except it's just got a chicken tender base. Man, that's really all it is. It's something different. I would buy it again, just for something different. Got decent crunch, good flavor, got a hint of spice to it. It's okay. It's just KFC trying to generate some more business, but keep them from getting stagnant. I mean, you can make anything pizza. You can put pizza on pita bread. I've made Pole Man pizza as a kid. Took a piece of bread, some ketchup, piece of American cheese. I didn't have pepperoni, so good old bologna. Put it in the toaster oven. So good. That's the Chizza. And just for taste sake, they do give you a biscuit. And the whole thing I think was like $12. Wish they had some dipping sauce for this. Got the extra crispy. It's okay. It's a little dry. That's why you need a little liquid libation. Pear's okay. Usually a little more of the bitterness comes out, and that's what happened. So a little bit more of the bitterness came out of this, but not bad. Not bad. I don't know if any of you ever watched those little short videos. There's two guys. I think his name is like Bruce or something. All he says is, not bad. Decent sized wings. Now they call it a 4-piece wing, so they do give you the whole wing. So not just 4 the little winglets or little things there. 4 whole wings. So good on KFC there. But I would have liked some dipping sauce. I gotta go to the grocery store, so I might get some dipping sauce at the store. Finger licking good. That's it. That's pretty much all I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm not full, but I'm not hungry either. Just gonna finish my little refreshment here. Take a shower, call it a night. Y'all have a good one. I forgot that Just Jojo made a video about the Chizza.
It's heavy. I didn't expect it to be big. This is weird.
So I'll put a link to her video down below, but I'm gonna finish this video off with some Sweetly Divine ghost pepper jelly. Now I made a video about this. This came from Farms 101, who I need to call him. But I did not eat it properly, so I had to go get me some Ritz and some cream cheese. So let's do it the right way. And luckily, KFC gave me a cutting utensil. There we go. Cheers. That hit the spot. Just something about cream cheese, jelly, and Ritz. Just the combination ties everything together. So for those of you who like different snacks or like to try different things, this is 100% recommended by me and by Farms 101. Bye bye. The texture, the flavor combination just goes together. And the heat just gives it like that extra notch. All right, so go check out Just JoJo and Farms 101. Tell them Salty sent you. Later. That deserves a lot of cowbell.